Are you an immigrant parent working long hours every day but still feeling stuck in same cycle? Pagod na, but you still worry about bills, time, and your family? Then this MIDI is for you. I am Gretchen, based in Seattle, originally from Pagadian City. When I came to US, thought life would be easier, but honestly, it wasn't. I worked multiple jobs, medical claims processor by day, cashier by night. Pagod, stress, and the hardest part, halos wala na akong time sa pamilya ko. I kept praying for a sign. And one day, I saw an ad on social media. At first, I was scared, unsure, but I knew I needed a change. So I made a bold decisions. Fast forward today, I'm now earning 4 to 5 figures a month from home. No more corporate job. Hawak ko na ang oras ko. I'm able to support my family back home, pay off my debts, and travel with my kids without worrying about expenses. This online business is legit, federally registered, and system automated. So if you're coachable, willing to learn and grow, ready for a change, message me and I'll send you the same free video I watched. No pressure, just clarity. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. God bless.